We have spent the last couple of weeks and videos building out a complete local AI stack. OpenClaw or its variants running as a personal assistant gateway, autonomous agents scheduling work while we sleep, models serving on our own GPU or through API. Every single one of these tools, as you can see on your screen, is powerful, and every single one of them forgets everything the moment the session ends. memUbot is the answer to that. memUbot is a 24 by 7 proactive memory framework, and the keyword is proactive here. It runs two parallel loops simultaneously. As you can see, the main agent handles your queries, plans, executes, and responds as normal. On the right hand side, a dedicated memUbot is watching everything, monitoring every input and output, extracting facts, preferences, and skills, predicting what you are about to do next, and running proactive tasks like prefetching context and updating your to-do list autonomously. And that is what we are going to install in this video. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. One last point about these loops, because this is very important. These two loops are in continuous sync with a shared database at the bottom. Your agent never asks memUbot to remember something, memu just remembers, and it acts on what it knows before you even ask. This whole project, by the way, is forked from memu, which we already have covered on the channel long time back. So let's get started and see what exactly this thing is and how it works. So let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu. If you're looking to rent a GPU, CPU or VM like me on very affordable prices like cents, you can find the link to Master Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Okay, so let's get started. First up, I'm just going to create a virtual environment with Conda. If you don't want to create Conda, that is fine, but make sure that you have Python 3.13. That is a hard requirement. You cannot really get away with it. So make sure you have that. So it is going to create that environment in a Jiffy. And now we need to git clone the repo of memUbot, and you will find the link to it in video's description. That is also done. Now before we proceed further, let me quickly show you my OpenClaw, which is already installed. And if you don't know what OpenClaw is and how to get it installed either through with local models or through API based models, I have done heaps of videos on the channel, as you can see here, lots of them. So just search with Claw or OpenClaw, you should be able to find it, and you can see that I already have this OpenClaw running here with this Quen 3.5 model. You can just select any other model of your choice. Now I just need to install all the prerequisites from the root of the repo of memUbot. Everything is installed. Let me first show you a quick example with some open router model where it is going to process some conversation memory. Just let it run and see what exactly it is doing, and then I will explain by showing you the code how exactly that loop thing which I described earlier is working. Just look at it. So if you look at this example through Open Router, we just fed memUbot three conversation files. Simple JSON file containing back and forth dialogue, and memu read all three, processed them through Claude Sonnet via Open Router, which I just showed you, and in one pass extracted 29 individual memory items, as you can see on this output, and then it organized them into 10 categories automatically. No instruction on what to remember, no manual tagging. It just read the conversations and figured out what mattered. And if I quickly show you the output, which is in the open router directory here, let me show you. There you go. So activities.markdown, experiences, goals, habits, knowledge. So it's a structured memory file system where we have these activities, experiences, goals, habits, You name it, opinion, personal info, preferences, relationship, even work-life balance and all that stuff. Each one a living document about the person in those conversation. This is exactly the file system analogy from the architecture which I showed you earlier. Memu bot did not just store the raw conversation, it understood them, extracted meaning, and organized that meaning into a structured an agent can instantly navigate and act on. Okay, now this is a code where I'm going to integrate OpenClaw with this memUbot. So this takes a real OpenClaw session in the session history in the config.json, where we have 5 messages between a user named Alex and the agent about building a trading bot, as you can see here. So this is the prompt which I have given it, and then from there I'm just taking everything from this sessions file. Then I'm feeding it into Memu. Memu reads those 5 messages, sends them to the model which is running with OpenClaw, and then it writes the file to disk and then creates the whole memory in the output directory. So let me take you here to my terminal and run this. I'm just going to run it with OpenClaw, and it is running. The model has been selected. It is processing through Memu, extracting the memory items and categories. Okay, it has given me an error this time. I think I didn't clean it up. Let me quickly do that. Or I think this is just a warning. We can ignore it because it actually extracted all the memory items, and these are the memory items, and then it has written it to our memory.amd. So if I just go here and then I go to outputs directory, it should be here somewhere. There you go. This is output, and then this is the OpenClaw where it has created the memory context, and this is my OpenClaw memu. This is the memory.md it has created. So you see, it has just gone into it, and next time whenever OpenClaw starts, it already knows all of that without Alex ever having to repeat himself. One script, one run, and the agent wakes up tomorrow knowing everything it learned today. Now again, I think they are doing pretty well. They are using that memu, which is already quite common, as I mentioned earlier, pretty good tool in terms of giving memory to the agents. So this is where we have just integrated it with OpenClaw. But again, I think still a lot of rough edges which needs to be updated. As you saw that JSON error here and there, I have also seen it breaking a bit, very early version. And of course, as we discussed yesterday, you can build your own tool quite easily. This is a field which really needs a lot of tools and research and advancement. That's it. Let me know what do you think about this new tool. Seems interesting. If you like the content, please consider subscribing and becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.